Sellers, it's crucial to carefully choose your supply channels. Platforms like Shein and Temu work directly with thousands of factories in China, leveraging large-scale purchase orders and data-driven supply chain systems to keep their prices extremely low. On top of that, to capture market share, they often sell products at a loss. Currently, these two platforms are growing rapidly in the North American market and have already become top 5 shopping apps. If your product line overlaps with theirs, there's a high chance you'll lose money because their pricing advantage is something small sellers can't compete with. Therefore, it's wise to avoid direct competition with them and choose a different product line. At the same time, consider using platforms like 1688 Order as your supply channel. It can help you source high quality and competitively priced products, boosting your profit margins. In business, choosing the wrong partner or competitor can make it nearly impossible to succeed, no matter how hard you try. Selecting the right supplier and strategy is the key to success.